Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2026 how to add viewport. So you can go to layout and we have this default viewport. You can select the viewport and then press delete button to delete the viewport. Now to add new viewport, you can type MV, press enter, and I will click start from this point into here. So we create this new viewport. You also can create like the circle viewport. You can use the circle command, type say, press enter, and I will click at this point. After it, you can go to layout tabs and then click on view. Okay, you can click in here, layout view, and change the rectangular into object. Now you can choose the circle and then it will be automatically convert into viewport. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2026, how to add viewport. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.